Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by clarifying the goal in concrete context so the AI writes what you need. Say whether you want to inform, persuade, or request, and give one clear call to action. Next, list recipient role, desired tone, and approximate length. This shapes word choice and formality. Then add constraints, names, dates, attachments, confidentiality, so the assistant avoids errors. Once done, send a short, specific prompt that combines goal, context, and constraints to generate the first draft. Now refine the draft for clarity and correctness. You should review audience fit, simplify technical terms, or raise formality by one level to match the recipient. Use iterative prompts, request 3 variants, or ask for a short and a long version to compare options quickly. Make targeted edits, adjust subject lines, opening sentence, and CTA placement. Also verify facts, dates, and names. Correct any placeholders the model used. If you need a specific tone, instruct the AI with examples and ask for a rewrite. Finish by polishing and validating the message before sending. Do a read-aloud tone and readability check. Adjust sentences to average 12-15 words for flow. Confirm the subject, attachments, and CTA are accurate. Ask the AI for a one-line proofread summary to catch grammar or missing items. If the draft repeats, is vague, or feels generic, troubleshoot by asking for a targeted rewrite with concrete examples, or change the prompt constraints and regenerate. Make sure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.